Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Are you ready to take your cleaning service to the next level? Imagine a world where your business runs smoother, faster, and more profitably, all thanks to automation. In today's video, we're diving into how automation can revolutionize your cleaning business, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and scalable. From automated scheduling to smart cleaning devices, we'll cover the latest tools and technologies that can streamline your operations and enhance customer satisfaction. So, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the expert tips and strategies to transform your cleaning service. And hey, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insights on optimizing your business. Let's kick things off by talking about why automation is such a game changer in the cleaning industry. First up, efficiency. Automation allows you to perform repetitive tasks faster and with fewer errors. Think about scheduling. Gone are the days of manually coordinating with your clients and cleaning staff. With automated scheduling software, you can handle everything with a few clicks, saving you precious time to focus on growing your business. And it's not just about saving time. Automation reduces your operational costs. For instance, by using smart devices that optimize cleaning supplies based on real-time data, you can cut down on waste and lower your expenses. But that's not all. Automation enhances customer satisfaction. With automated communication tools, you can send reminders, follow-ups, and even feedback requests without lifting a finger. Happy customers are repeat customers, and automation helps you keep them satisfied without added effort. So, where exactly can you implement automation in your cleaning service? Let's break down some key areas. First, let's talk about scheduling and booking. Tools like Jobber or House Call Pro can completely automate your booking process, allowing customers to book services online, view available time slots, and even reschedule if necessary, all without you having to get involved. Next up, employee management. With platforms like Deputy or TS Sheets, you can automate time tracking, shift scheduling, and even payroll. These tools not only save time but also ensure accuracy in employee records and payments. Then there's invoicing and payments. Software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks can automatically generate invoices, send them to clients, and even handle recurring billing. Plus, with integrated payment processing, you get paid faster and more securely. Don't forget customer communication. Automated CRM systems like Zoho or HubSpot can help you maintain regular contact with your clients, manage leads, and keep track of all interactions. And finally, let's not overlook cleaning itself. Smart cleaning devices like robotic vacuums or AI-powered floor scrubbers can handle routine tasks with minimal supervision. These devices not only clean more consistently, but also free up your team to tackle more complex jobs. Now that we've covered the what and the why, let's get into the how. Implementing automation might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can be smooth and rewarding. Step 1. Identify your pain points. Where does your business struggle the most? Is it in managing schedules, handling payments, or maybe in communication? Start by automating the areas that take up the most time or resources. Step 2. Research and choose the right tools. There are countless automation tools out there, so make sure you pick the ones that best suit your business needs. Look for user-friendly software with good customer support and, if possible, free trials so you can test before you commit. Step 3. Train your team. Automation tools are only as effective as the people using them. Make sure your team is comfortable with the new technology by providing thorough training and ongoing support. Step 4. Start small and scale up. Don't try to automate everything at once. Begin with 1 or 2 areas, see how it goes, and then gradually expand. This way, you can make adjustments and learn as you go. Finally, monitor and optimize. Automation is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Regularly review your processes, gather feedback from your team and customers, and tweak the system to better serve your business. To really drive home the power of automation, let's look at some real-world success stories. First up is CleanNet USA, a nationwide commercial cleaning service. They implemented an automated scheduling and CRM system that allowed them to manage thousands of client accounts across the country with ease. The result? A 20% increase in customer retention and a significant boost in operational efficiency. Then we have MaidPro, a residential cleaning franchise. By adopting robotic vacuums and automated invoicing, they reduced their operational costs by 15% and saw a noticeable improvement in customer satisfaction scores. Customers loved the consistency of the automated cleaning, and employees were happy to focus on more detailed tasks. Lastly, let's talk about Handy, a platform that connects people with cleaning professionals. By fully automating the booking, payment, and review processes, Handy scaled rapidly and now operates in multiple countries with minimal overhead. These examples show that with the right automation tools, your cleaning service can achieve incredible growth and efficiency. Of course, like any major change, implementing automation can come with its challenges. Let's talk about some common hurdles and how to overcome them. One of the biggest challenges is the initial cost. Automation tools and smart devices can require a significant upfront investment. The key here is to view this as a long-term investment. The cost savings and efficiency gains over time usually far outweigh the initial expenses. Another challenge is resistance to change, whether from your team or your customers. The best way to handle this is through clear communication. Explain the benefits of automation to your team and make sure they feel supported through the transition. For customers, highlight how automation improves their experience, like faster service and more accurate billing. Lastly, there's the fear of technology failures. What if the system goes down or a device malfunctions? This is where having a solid backup plan and choosing reliable vendors come into play. Make sure you have manual processes in place as a fallback, and select tools that offer strong customer support. There you have it. Everything you need to know about revolutionizing your cleaning service with automation. From boosting efficiency and cutting costs to enhancing customer satisfaction, automation is the key to taking your business to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tools today and watch your cleaning service transform. And remember, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies to optimize your business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.